Good morning! I'm so happy that you are here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create alphabet or letter boxes for your classroom. The reason I love this is that it can be used over and over and over again, and you're going to build something for your classroom that your students can revisit several times, and it is going to be a fantastic addition to your literacy center. So I'm doing the letter R. That's not our letter for this month. However, the process for creating them is the exact same. And you do not have to use a box. You can use a Ziploc bag or those mesh gallon-sized zipper bags. They all work just as well. So first I started with a cover here. These are little felt letters that I found at Target a couple of years ago, but honestly, any type of letter stickers or anything that you just want to tape on is going to work. I also label the front of the box or the front of the bag with whatever letter is going to be inside. And these are our contents. So I always start with what I can pull from the Funny Daffer Resource Library. These are just a couple letter R pictures that come in the letter pack for R that's in the letter and literacy section of the resource library. So we have rose, rabbit, rooster. I also found this rain picture in our badges section. We have a rainbow. We have a rhino. We have a rocket, the color red. And then I just take different toys that I found throughout our room. So some rabbits, a rooster, a rhombus, and a few letter R manipulatives that you can find. These are just things I have collected over time throughout my career as a teacher. And what I love about this is that you can use these for teachable moments, but you can also build on them with teachable moments. So if you find something interesting or you're talking about something interesting and you have created this classroom community where they recognize, oh, we're doing the robot dance. Do we have a robot toy? We can put that in the letter R box. This is a fantastic tool to really build your literacy centers and allow students hands-on access to building phonemic awareness and print knowledge. I hope you enjoyed.